Model, 61 plate Ford Transit 2 TDCI 115 PS 260 short wheelbase, low roof trend MOT failure welding. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 119561. Engine, 2198 cc TDCI 115 PS DURATORQ, 2.2, d. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Starts and drives brilliantly, no warning lights. Mechanically this is fantastic, just failed MOT on welding. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 3 former keepers, electric windows, air con, cruise control. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.